Hey, hope everybody had an awesome week. I'm here, popping on here to do the rate update like we do every Friday. Let's see, I'm trying to think. I had an announcement, but I forgot it. But anyways, hey, Ryan Lee here with Planet Cheapskate, and I'm here for the rate update like I do every Friday. And I'm gonna be popping on to my Facebook group and doing Facebook Lives a lot more. I may go through like the morning news and just kind of comment on them, how it affects the markets, everything like that. I'd like to do something like a market update, like we did on Mondays, but do kind of change it up a little bit. The website I was working with kind of flaked out, so um, hope everybody's doing awesome and is ready for the weekend. I know I am. I'm ready to get out in the pool, enjoy the water a little bit. But yeah, the rates are looking really good. If you haven't yet subscribed, join our journey. We're going straight to the moon. We're going to take this thing straight to the moon. I am going to be starting to do more educational videos now that I have my studio set up. I want to give a big shout out to Denise for helping me out with that. Also, Denise got me this shirt. Isn't that awesome? So I kind of feature that into my thumbnail creation. I have world-class rates, but I have a local presence right here in Wichita, Kansas. Or Kansas, I can help you out however you need it. Just link up with me. There's a link below. And hey, if you haven't yet, follow my Instagram. It's kind of a behind the scenes look at my life. On my YouTube, on my Facebook, I kind of keep things a little, high and tight, professional. Instagram, I let loose a little bit. You can see that, I'm just a regular guy, just like you, and go out and have fun. So we have a lot of good times. But yeah, the studio's coming together really nice. There is kind of a glare, if you haven't noticed. There's a glare on this goat. I don't like that. So probably here after I do this rate update, I'm going to take that to someone that I know who can get rid of that glare. So we won't have to worry about that glare. He did this one here. He does a really good job on these. So, but yeah, it's coming together really nicely. It's awesome. I'm excited about this new lender that I'm working with. We're able to do some awesome things, making banks compete to get you that lower interest rate. So like we do every Friday, let's see what the rates are looking like, okay? Now, a caveat before I get to these rates. These are not rates that you're going to be able to go to a bank and go to a credit union and get and request. These are banks that I get by taking just an average borrower. I think it was like a $250,000 deal. I think 700 credit score. So this could vary based on your specific situation. If you want a personalized report, hit me up down below. I can get one to you, find out what your rate would be by making the banks compete. But this just kind of gives you an idea going into the weekend, what rates are looking like. Now you can go to your bank and say, hey, this is what he said was like kind of the going rate. Now it's a super competitive rate. So the bank may not honor it. They may say, no, he's just full of junk or whatever. But no, I assure you, I make these banks compete, and that's where you bring out the best. So someone's hitting me up already. Let me get to these rates here without further ado. So conventional is at 5.125 with an APR of 5.387. FHA is at 4.375 with an APR of 5.369. VA is at 4.375 with an APR of 4.569. And USDA is at 4.375 with an APR of 4.813. So that's the rates. Hopefully, maybe we can connect. I am working on getting licensed in additional states. I know with with my new employer that is a possibility, and I'm looking into that. Just trying to see who's giving me a call. But yeah, working with more and more borrowers. I had a borrower today who was a VA borrower, and I was just really trying to get him approved. And he had a bankruptcy, but it was so long ago. It was like 9 years ago. And we eventually were able to get him approved and get a lender to accept his deal. So if you have a bankruptcy out there, if you have another lender who's told you can't be done, find my link below. Let's set something up. Let's get these lenders. Let's make them compete. When we make them compete, we can get them to do things that normally when you walk into the bank, they're not willing to do. When they know they're going against other ones and there's a chance that they're going to lose that deal, they get super competitive and they're like, hey, we better get it done rather than tell them to wait 6 months and then we may have a chance of losing it. So let me know if I can help you out with that. Other than that, everybody have a happy and safe weekend. Sorry about the mix up here. I can't remember the announcement that I was gonna. Oh, it was it was about the Facebook Lives. I'm gonna start doing the Facebook Lives. So tune into those, and hey, until next week. See you guys later.